Guys, I'm under the weather, but it's time to drink. Minute happy hour. Take a pinch of brown sugar, 1 ounce of rye whiskey, 1 ounce of apple brandy, dash of orange bitters. Give it a quick little stir for dilution. Add ice and stir it until it's cold. For garnish, zest an orange peel over an open flame. This caramelizes the orange oils, making it a little sweet, and looks pretty badass. The American Trilogy is an amazing riff off an old-fashioned, and that's pretty much all the energy I have for today. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you want to see any specific types of cocktails made, leave them in the comments below. Feel free to tweet at me whenever. I'm always there. Please rate, share, subscribe, and enjoy. I'm always there.